Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. As usual, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. At the end of the week, market participants express risk aversion as they stoke fears about soaring rates of new coronavirus cases around the world and delays in mass vaccination. Besides, investors found out from the Fed's policy statement that the regulator decided to take the wait-and-see approach and put the ongoing monetary policy on hold, including the volume of bond purchases per month. These fundamental factors encouraged investors to shift focus back towards the safe haven US dollar. As a result, the euro is closing the week with losses. What prospects do technical charts reveal for the euro-dollar pair? Let's ask our technical expert Peter Yakimovic. Hi, Peter.
Hello there, traders. On the euro versus US dollar, what I found and what is my update since my previous forecast is basically that I see some kind of losing the upside momentum, and potentially during the next 3 to 5 days, I can see a further downside. The main reason why I changed my forecast since the previous analysis, because I found that there is basically the head and shoulders formation that is in creation, and basically the buyers are actually struggling to continue with the upside pressure, So I guess the 1.2060 level is very crucial support for this currency pair. Basically, that is the pivot level of this head and shoulders pattern, which is basically the bearish pattern. So in case of the breakout to the downside, in case of the breakout of the 1.2060, my trading will be that I will try to sell on the rallies after the breakout of that. And probably the targets will be set at the 1.1925, and the main projection for this head and shoulder formation is set at the 1.1795. Again, I'm seeing that there is a potential rounding topping formation in the last few days, and this is basically the indication that there is maybe some down cycle in the play on this in the next 3 to 5 days, at least on the euro dollar. So I will watch very carefully this 1.2060 level, which is the main pivot support for this currency pair.
The pound sterling is still winning favor with traders. Perhaps the sterling found support from positive data on the UK labour market. The British currency is closing the week at almost the same levels where it opened on Monday. Do you think the sterling will be able to hold investors' interest next week?
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically there is another confirmation that maybe the upside got exhausted, basically, because there is a rising wedge pattern, which is basically the pattern which is telling us that there is some kind of the lacking of the buying orders, and the lacking of the buying power to push further higher, So usually this pattern is a first big warning that sellers might be around. So I wouldn't be surprised the pound can drop towards the 1.3525 level and 1.3465 level. So in case the breakout of this rising wedge, definitely my expectation will be the price can go downside, and the selling of the rallies will be a preferable strategy if you see the breakout of this rising wedge pattern on the British pound versus US dollar.
Traditionally, let's finish our weekly link up with your comments on gold. What's going on in the gold market?
On the gold, there is an interesting situation on the gold. Although I think that gold still didn't have a major bottom short term. Gold is in the past few days basically got pretty flat stance from my perspective, because we got a selling climax, like 5-6 days ago, and then after that price went sideways. So literally everything is open in the gold, but still I think there is a more downside room first before any upside, probably towards the 1,800 level, maybe even 1,765. So that will be my expectation on the gold from based on the recent price section and what is so on the chart.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading analysis, and see you next week. You have watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.